This is rare if this happens to you. Some guinea pig owners hear a sound that stops them in their tracks. It sounds like a bird. This sound is called chirping, and it is one of the rarest and most mysterious guinea pig vocalizations. Unlike weeking or purring, chirping is not well understood, even by experts. It often happens suddenly, sometimes late at night, and usually from a guinea pig that appears completely still. During chirping, guinea pigs may stare forward, freeze in place, or seem unaware of their surroundings. Some owners report it happens after a stressful event. Others hear it with no obvious trigger at all. Scientists believe chirping may be linked to a deeply instinctive alert or communication response that predates domestication. It may be a remnant of an ancient signaling behavior used to warn others of danger without attracting predators. What makes chirping even stranger is how rare it is. Many guinea pig owners never hear it once, while others may hear it only a single time in their pet's entire life. Chirping does not appear to signal pain or immediate danger on its own. Most guinea pigs return to normal behavior shortly after. That mystery is exactly why chirping fascinates researchers and owners alike. If you have ever heard your guinea pig chirp, you have witnessed one of the most unusual behaviors in small mammals. Have you ever heard this sound? Follow if you want to know amazing information about amazing guinea pigs.